lemon meringue on the barbecue. Some will say why. I say, why not? Yes, I know there's going to be some doubters out there, but you've got to trust me. This pie does not taste like it's been cooked on a barbecue. It doesn't taste smoky or anything like that. Barbecuing for me has never been just about grilling. It's about being outside for me. It's about being outside, listening to the birds, spending some time in my garden, as well as cooking good food for my family. So in my world, there's no such thing as barbecued food. If you view your barbecue as simply a heat source, you will find, with some help from people like me, that you can cook anything and everything on a barbecue. So I made a lemon meringue pie. I like to tell myself I don't have a sweet tooth, but it is absolute nonsense. And this pie, lemon meringue, is one of my all-time favourite pies to eat. I absolutely love it. I can eat it day or night, anytime, all the time. Love it. I've never made a lemon meringue on my barbecue, but I have to say it worked really well. Get brave with your barbecue and have a go at some different stuff. So yes, lemon meringue on my Weber. Very delicious it is too.